Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I'll show you how you can change video quality of screen recorder. You have to go for the settings, then move to the advanced, scroll down and go for the screen recorder. When you are here you can find a lot of things, but if you want to change the quality, you are going here. You can pick low, medium, high, so let's pick the highest version, the highest option. We can also change the resolution and the frame rate. As you can see, we can also go for the 120 frames per second. So it's very useful when you are making, the record of your screen when you are playing the games and you want to get it on the highest frames. And it's very cool and very useful thing. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.